In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import leads into Freshsales. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. You will want to enter your usual credentials and make sure you land on the main dashboard or the area where your sales tools are shown. Logging in first matters because the import option is available only inside your workspace, and you need to be authenticated to access the leads or contacts tools. Once you are logged in, look along the top navigation or the main sidebar for the section related to your customer records. Click the Leads tab or the Contacts option, depending on how your workspace is set up. This step is important because the import button you are going to use is tied to the Leads or Contacts area, and choosing the correct section ensures your uploaded data goes to the right place. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the Leads list or the Contacts list, not some other module. After you have opened the Leads or Contacts area, find the import control on that page. Click the Import Contact Leads button. This will open the import workflow, where you can upload your file and tell Freshsales how to interpret the data. If you do not see the button right away, scan the page for it near the top of the list, above the table, or in an Actions menu, since interfaces can vary slightly. Next, you will upload your CSV or Excel file. Look for the Upload area or File Picker, then choose the CSV or Excel document that contains your lead or contact information. Before you select the file, it can help to know that CSV and Excel both work, but your file needs to have columns that represent the fields you want to import, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, company, or other relevant details. When you choose the file, wait for it to finish loading so the system can detect the columns. Once the file is uploaded, the next step is mapping the columns to the corresponding fields in Freshsales. After the import screen reads your file, you will typically see a section where your file column headers are listed side by side with Freshsales field options. Carefully match each column to the right field. For example, if your file has a column labeled Company or Organization, you would map that to the Freshsales field that stores company or organization information. Take your time here, because correct mapping prevents data from landing in the wrong fields and helps ensure your leads appear complete after import. If you notice any fields that do not match clearly, review your column headers and align them thoughtfully. This is also the stage where you confirm that required fields are handled properly. If Freshsales gives you a way to select fields manually, choose the best fit for each column based on what the data actually represents in your spreadsheet. When your columns are mapped and everything looks right, you are ready to start the import. Click Import to begin the process. Freshsales will then read the uploaded file, create or update records based on the import behavior, and process everything in the background. During this time, you may see a progress indicator or the screen may refresh when finished. It is best to wait until the process completes so that all leads are fully created or updated. After the import finishes, return to your leads or contacts list to review the results. You can scan a few entries to confirm that the information is in the correct fields and that the leads appear as expected. If anything looks off, you can use the mapping logic to adjust and run the import again, but for most cases, careful column mapping is all you need. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.